As a software developer, what I like to do is build my own software. In fact, you might say that a lot of contributions I've made to the state of the art have to do with me being impatient. So I like to work on software performance because I like my own software to be fast. When my kids were young, instead of teaching them manually a grammar rule or a math concept, I would often just write my own JavaScript applications and load them up into my kids' browsers, and I would coach them how to use it. I think AI has been very helpful for this kind of attitude. So in the last few months, I've been building my own applications to try to make my own work easier, to process files and so forth. Last night I had a similar breakthrough. So for weeks I've been trying to come up with a way that I like to process videos. So I want my videos to be cut, trimmed, and subtitled the way I like. I look at commercial offerings, but nothing actually did what I wanted. Open source solutions were terrible. And it was late last night when I asked my AI, well, can you write a Python script that does it for me? And sure enough, in 15 minutes it was done. And actually, this video here that you're watching was processed using my own tool. And it only took me about 15 minutes. I don't have a name for this yet, but I think it's a really interesting concept where you use AI to not to publish software, not to build software for your enterprise, but to build software to fit your own little needs. So it's fine if it's a little bit sloppy because if it is there's a major bug, you're the only user that will care. But it matters a great deal that it's cheap. It's done cheaply and very, very fast, so that you can throw it away when you don't need it anymore. I think that's really, really interesting concept, and I'm curious whether a lot of developers have been following the same trend, the same strategy. In any case, in my case, I expect that in the coming 12 months, I'll be building more of these tools and getting more into it, as it's been very, very profitable. I think that's very exciting. Thank you.